Hey guys, welcome back to yet another Perler beading tutorial. Today we will be making part 2 of Toothless. Previously I showed you how to build and assemble the head. This video I'll be showing you how to build the wings, the body, the tail, as well as the hind legs in detail, because all of them are quite tricky. Because the wings are pretty big, I usually pour the beads into the outline of the shape. Then I spread them out. This enables me to come over an area faster. There's me doing it, it's just sped up. Make sure to be aware of the wing shape you want at first. When I was ironing mine, I didn't know what I was going to do with them, but when I decided that I was going to bend them, they were already cooled down. So I had to heat them up again with a heat gun. It wasn't fun, so it's better to decide beforehand what shape you want for yours. If you want bended wings, put them under a weight for about just 45 seconds. Then take them out and place your hands like I have them. Keep in mind that they're still very hot. If you want flat wings, make sure to put them under a heavy book or weight for about 10 minutes for them to cool down. Because today we will be also making the body and the legs, their pieces have to be very straight because when we sandwich them together, any bends in the parts will be very visible. A way to keep pieces flat is just to put them under a weight for about 3 minutes. Personally, I just use a heavy textbook. This build has a load of connectors. They're usually used to keep all the parts sandwiched together. Just a tip, when ironing connectors, over-iron them just a little bit. This will help hold the pieces together well. You don't really see them, so it doesn't really matter how they look. If anyone needs any extra help with this build, feel free to join my Discord. I'll be glad to help out. I also want to give a massive shout out to Perler Angel for suggesting this amazing model. If you're liking this video, please hit that subscribe button, it means everything to me. When you make the pieces, make sure to iron them evenly on both sides. This will make it much more durable. Make sure that when you click all of the pieces together, that they are flush with each other. I don't think anyone wants gaps in their builds. These parts have to be made very carefully, because they'll be holding the majority of the weight on the body. If you made your wings flat, but now want to have them bent, fear not, you can just heat them up again with a heat gun or the blow dryer. Don't use an iron as it will flatten the wings, and we really don't want that. The two rods here are connectors, but don't over iron them. The reason is because we will be pushing them through 11 layers of beads. If they are over ironed, they will make too much friction and break. If anyone has any trouble with the assembly of Toothless, please join my Discord where I can help you with whatever problems you're encountering. These rods must be inserted with very extreme care as they are very thin, and if you apply way too much pressure, they'll break. When you put the rods into the holes, make sure that the middle plates line up. Otherwise, it will become a wall of doom that these beads probably won't be able to overcome. Here are a few more connectors. Again, keep in mind to slightly over iron them. This makes them wider, therefore holding the parts better. Now that we're almost finished the body, we will soon be moving on to the tail. I hope everyone's extremely excited because it's really fun to make. Finally, the last part of the body. Now the dragon really is starting to look really cool. The tail is right around the corner. Although the next part will be the tail, we have to first attach the body to the head. If you still haven't made it, make sure to check out my part 1 video before you continue. This link will be in the description if you want to check it out. Yay! The body is finally finished, but the dragon actually looks pretty cool right now. Here's the first set of pieces to begin making the tail. And then bent piece, just leave it out in the open for just a bit, then bend it so that it matches mine. All we've got to do to secure this part is to attach the back panel right here. And here we finally begin making the tail. Those two large and fully black pieces have to be very slightly bent. This is so that the tail will be curved just a little. Personally, I like how it looks. These little rods are again connectors. Of course, you know what I'm gonna say. Over iron them just a little bit. The tail is extremely close to completion. All we need to do is stick it onto the body and add some outer panels. Here are the outer panels I was talking about. Don't bend any of these, just let them cool under a heavy book or weight. Time to insert the final structural panel. All we need to do to finish off the tail is to add the connectors. The final component of Toothless are his back legs. All we need for those right now is the bottom right here. I'm getting really excited right now. We are getting so close, everything is done except for the back legs. Sorry if it's kinda hard to see how to assemble right now because of the wings, but fear not, it's the same as on the other side. And this is seriously the last piece of Toothless, the outer part of his back legs. And Toothless is practically finished. If anyone built it, please let me know in the comments of this video. You can also upload a picture of it to my Discord. Also, congrats if you finished the build. I know how hard it is. Also, please let me know if I should make a live stream where I show my full designs process. Again guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!